Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion. If you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you are excited about exploring some stunning bridal bodycon dresses. Today we are diving into the latest trend in bridal fashion and showcasing some beautiful bodycon dresses that are perfect for any bride to be. Ready to find your dream dresses? Let's get started. First up, we have the timeless classic white bodycon dresses. These dresses is all about elegance and simplicity. It's made from a high quality sketchy fabric that hugs your curves just right, creating a sleek and what makes this dress stand out is the beautiful lace detailing along the neckline and the hem. It's a perfect choice for a bride who loves classic styles with a modern twist. Imagine walking down the aisle in his gorgeous dress. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below, and if you are loving this look, do not forget to hit that like button. Next up is this fabulous off-shoulder bodycon dress. If you are looking for something that combines romance, and this is it, the off-shoulder design. Next up is the fabulous off-shoulder bodycon dresses. If you are looking for something that combines romance and the off-shoulder design, add touch of glamour while keeping things stylish and chic. The fitted body and soft sketchy fabrics make this dress both comfortable and flattering. It's perfect for a summer or outdoor wedding where you want to feel light and air but still look stunning. How would you style this dress? Share your thought in the comments, and if you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. Now let's look at this elegant long sleeve bodycon dresses. This dresses is perfect for a fall or winter wedding. The long sleeves add a touch of while the bodycon fit ensures you look fabulous. The dress features delicate beadworks on the sleeves and body, giving it a bit of sparkle without being too flashy. It's ideal for a bride who wants to more traditional looks with a modern twist. What do you think of his design? Drop a comment below, and if you are loving this dress, make sure to hit that like button. Let's check out this stunning high neck bodycon dresses. The high neckline gives this dress a unique and elegant look, perfect for a bride who wants to stand out. It's made from a luxury sketchy fabrics that shapes beautifully. This dress is great for creating a sleek. The subtle detailing around the neckline adds a touch of imagine pairing this with a simple, elegant updo and minimal jewelry. How do you feel about this high neck style? Comment below and let us know if you are enjoying the videos. Do not forget to share with your friends. Next up is dazzling sequin bodycon dresses. If you are a bride who loves a bit of sparkle, this dress is for you. The sequins catch the light beautifully and add a glamorous touch to any wedding. The fitted design ensures you look fabulous from any angle, while the skeins add just the right amount of glamour. It's perfect for a nighttime wedding or any event where you want to shine. What do you think of these sparkly numbers? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you are fan of his dress, hit that like buttons. Now let's take a look at this blood plugging neckline bodycon dresses. This dresses is for the bride who is not afraid to make a statement. The deep V neckline adds a touch of dramas while the bodycon fit ensures you look stunning. The fitted waist and sleek lines of his dress create a powerful look. It's perfect for a bride who wants to turn heads on her special day. How do you feel about this daring design? Let us know in the comments, and if you are loving this dress, give the video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for more fashion tips. Check out these gorgeous mermaid bodycon dresses. The mermaid flares out at the bottoms, giving you a dramatic and elegant look. It's perfect for a bride who wants to bit of flair while still looking chic. The bodycon fit on top achieves your curves, while the mermaid skirts add a touch of drama. It's great for a formal wedding where you want to make a grand entrance. What do you think of his mermaid style? Drop your thought in the comments below. If you are enjoying this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's look at this beautiful lace bodycon dress. Lace is always a classic choice for bridal wear, and this dress combines the elegance of lace with the modern bodycon fit. The intricate lace pattern adds a romantic touch while the bodycon fit keeps it sleek and stylish. It's perfect for a bride who loves classic details with the contemporary twist. How do you feel about this lace dress? Comment below and let us know, and if you are loving the videos, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fashion contents. Check out this trendy two pieces bodycon set. This outfit features a fitted crops, tops and matching skirts, giving you a chic and modern bridal look. It's great choice if you want to stand out and try something a bit different. The crop top and skirt combination allows for a lot of versatility and style option. It's perfect for a contemporary wedding where you want to mix things up a bit. What do you think of this two pieces set? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you are enjoying this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Finally, we have these minimalist bodycon dresses. If you loved clean lines and simple design, this dress is for you. It's perfect for a modern bride who wants a sleek, understand look. The minimalist design ensures that you look elegant without being too flashy. It's ideal for a bride who values simplicity. And how you feel about this minimalist dress? Comment below and let us know. And if you are a fan of his look, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That is That's it for today bridal bodycon dresses showcase. I hope you found some inspiration for your special day. If you enjoy the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you do not miss any of our latest fashion tips and trends. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time for more fashion design. And please press the bell icon, like, share, comments and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.